So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can train your YOLOv11 custom model on your custom dataset. So let's get started. So I'm using Roboflow for the dataset. Okay. So I'm clicking on the explore button so that I can explore the datasets. Okay. So these are the datasets. Okay. So I'm using this dataset. Okay. You can see here. Okay, and the dataset has the 6 classes. Okay, for the dog breed types. Okay, and first I need to download the dataset. Okay, so I'm going to click on the dataset. Okay, and I'm going to click on YOLOv11 because I have already made the tutorial on YOLOv11, deploying on the Android side. Okay, you can see that video. Okay, so when you click on it, then you can see the dialog box. Okay, you need to click on this download. Okay, and click on continue one. Okay, and this dialog box will appear. Okay, so you need to select this. Okay, this option and click on continue. Okay, and this is the code. Okay, you need to copy it. Okay, and you need to paste this here. Okay, instead of this. Okay, then you need to either run this cell, or you can like simply press shift and enter. Okay, it will run the cell. Okay, and you can see here I have already run the cell. Okay, after that you need to install the Ultralytics. Okay, you can see here I have already run this command. Okay, and you need to define the YOLO11 and okay .pd. You can see here. Okay, when you install the Ultralytics, then it will automatically show the here. Okay, .pd file. Okay, and then you need to paste the path. Okay, to train the model. Okay, so you can see here the data is already here because I have already run this command. Okay, you expand it. Okay, and you can see here the data.yml file. You need to copy it and you need to paste the path here. Okay, after that you need to pass the batch size. Okay, epoch size. Okay, I am I have passed the 50 epochs. Okay, in my case, and image size. Okay, which will be 640, and you need to make sure that the image size. Okay, if the image size is not 640, then you need to change this parameter. Okay, and you can see here I have already trained the model because training takes some time. That's why I did not prefer to train the whole model in this tutorial, otherwise this tutorial will be long. Okay, then you need to paste this code. Okay, because you can see here best.pd. Okay, so when the training is done. Okay, hold on, let me show you. Then you can see here. Okay, this package is already will appear after the training is done. Okay, and you need to expand it. Okay, and you need to expand this one further, and you need to expand this further. Okay, and there is a section weight. Okay, weights, and you can see here best.pd. Okay, and if you want to test the image on any image, then you can simply paste the path here. You can see, here. Okay, expand it and copy any path. Okay, from here. then copy it and paste it here. Okay, and then you can see here the output is saved in here. Okay, you can see here, let me show you. Hold on, let me close this and content run. Again, there's a run folder and there is a detect folder and predict too. You can see here, you can double click to view the model. Okay, now you, if you want to convert the in TFLite, I will prefer to use int 8, which will optimize the CPU devices as well to run the your model. Okay, and you need to like copy this code. Okay, first the model. Okay, and the format and the quantize. Okay, you need to quantize in 8. Okay, otherwise the model will perform laggy on lower end devices like 2 GB RAM, or you can say like 4 GB RAM. Okay, and you can see here the output is saved here. Okay, you can see here, you can see here it will create the float 16, 32 and int 8. Okay, and you need to use this int 8 further. Okay, now I need to check the model. Okay, if the model is working fine, and quantize a to int 8. Okay, and I have like in this case, like I have 6 classes. Okay, and I have the defined the multiple colors. Okay, for each one class. Okay, and you can see here I have defined 6 classes. Okay, now there is a max non-max expression. Okay, let's say like I need to the use something like 0.25. Okay, and let's say oh, and confidence score will be like 0.25. Okay, instead of 0.5. Okay, let's run the code. Okay, you can see here there are 2 bounding boxes, but we want one. Okay, so let's go up here and you need to increase the threshold to 0.5, or you can increase the higher, depends on your use case. Okay, and you need to use the score threshold will be like 0.5. Okay, and now run it again. You can see here the bounding box is only one. Okay, then you need to convert the model to TFLite. Okay, you need to use this code. Okay, you can see here I have already like commented out the line. Okay, now there is a new file here. Okay, which will be like YOLO11 and underscore int 8 underscore dog. Okay, and you can see the file here. Okay, this is the TFLite file. Okay, and you can download it and use it anywhere in the Android side. Okay, if you have any question or opinion, then let me know. Okay, I will paste the link for my previous video like how to use TFLite model in your Android application. Okay. All right. See ya. Bye bye.